Masterclass with Jesus, Episode 7, Humility vs. Pride. Have you ever watched someone boast about their greatness, only to fall flat? Jesus told a story that flips the world's idea of success upside down. In Luke 18, Jesus shares a parable. Two men go to pray. One is a Pharisee, proud, polished, and self-righteous. The other is a tax collector, broken, ashamed, and barely lifts his eyes. The Pharisee brags about fasting and tithing, but the tax collector simply says, "God, have mercy on me, a sinner." And Jesus says, "It's the humble one who walks away justified." Why? Because pride builds walls, but humility opens the heart to grace. In today's world, pride is paraded on platforms. Success is flaunted. Even in church, titles sometimes matter more than truth. But the kingdom of God is different. God opposes the proud, but gives grace to the humble. James chapter 4:6. Those who exalt themselves will be humbled, but those who humble themselves will be exalted. Matthew 23:12. Jesus doesn't need your performance. He wants your posture. The one who kneels low is the one lifted high. So today, choose humility. It's not weakness. It's the doorway to grace.
This is Masterclass with Jesus. I am your host, Tipaste. Until the next episode, peace and love.
We must act today. 'Cause tomorrow might be too late. Tomorrow is too late. Children of the world, let's get together. Let's get together. Let's spread love throughout this world. Let's sing this song of hope. Sing this song of hope. In perfect harmony. Let's join our hands together
for Haiti,
for peace and